In 2007, a thin phone with 3.5 inches screen changed technology forever. No physical keyboard, no cellular, just touch, and a vision from Steve Jobs. Fast forward to 2026, and iPhone evaluated to AI-powered supercomputers in your pockets, on 2G internet to nighting 5G, on a single button to edge display, from stable selfies, cinematic filmmaking, AI enhancing photography. This is the complete evaluation of the iPhone. Back in 2007, smartphones looked different. Most phones had thin screens, physical keypad, and complicated menus. Then Apple introduced something nobody has ever seen before. The first iPhone. It came with these features: a 3.5 inches multi-touch display, a 2 megapixel camera, a 2 gig connectivity, and then a complete new way to interact with technology. When Steve Jobs unveiled the device in 2007, he called it three device in one. Instead of pressing buttons, you could instantly point and swipe on your screen. Then computers quickly redesigned their phones to have touch screens like Apple's own. In 2008, Apple introduced something bigger than the iPhone itself, the App Store, telling the developers around the world could build apps for millions of users. The phone was no longer just calls and chats. Now it will record, play games, edit, do a lot of stuff. The iPhone 3G also introduced fast internet connection, making mobile browsing much more practical. Then came the iPhone 3GS, which focused on speed and better performance. But in 2010, Apple released one of the most iconic smartphones ever made, the iPhone 4, with e-glass and steel design and return display. The iPhone suddenly looked futuristic. In 2011, the iPhone became smasher. The iPhone 4S introduced Siri, bringing voice assistants into mainstream technology. For the first time, people could set alarm, send text, and ask what's the weather. It feels like science fiction became reality. Then Apple continued refining their design with the iPhone 5, but the biggest slap came with the iPhone 5X in 2013. That phone introduced that ID fingerprint security built directly into the home button. Unlocking a phone became fast, easy, and stressless. And it also marked the beginning of biometric on the smartphones. For years, Apple resisted large phones. Meanwhile, Android devices were getting bigger and bigger. In 2014, Apple finally changed directions. iPhone 6s Max introduced large displays, and users loved that. Then came a controversial moment in 2016. The iPhone 7 came without a headphone jack. At first, people were shocked, and many thought Apple had made a mistake. But Apple pushed users towards wireless audio. The wireless earbuds are everywhere, and also the iPhone 7 introduced IP resistance, making phones more travel for everyday life. In 2017, Apple reinvented the iPhone again with iPhone X. This phone completely removed the home button, and Apple introduced edge display and Face ID. Suddenly, users unlocked their phones just by looking at it. The notch at the top became iconic almost instantly. At first, people hated it, but the edge display became the new standard across the smartphone world. By 2020, the smartphone market had become incredibly competitive, and Apple responded with an iPhone 12 lineup. This generation introduced 5G connectivity, flash and design inspired by the iPhone 4, and mega safe charger. At the time, phone mobile internet speed became dramatically fast thanks to 5G. The iPhone was evaluating on a smartphone into a portable productive machine. The iPhone 15 brought another change: USB Type-C. After years of using Lightning came Apple panels reach universal USB Type-C. The Pro models introduced lightweight titanium bulbs, making premium iPhone feel strong and lighter at the same time. Now, We have entered the AI era. Modern iPhones are no longer just a smartphone. They have become an intelligent assistant capable for real-time language processing, AI enhancing photos, and personalized productive features. Apple is also pushing thinner designs and more powerful chips. Today, iPhones can shoot cinematic videos, edit content, it has a run AI complex model. The evaluation is no longer just about hardware, it's about intelligence. Comparing 3.5 inches display in the year 2000 to AI-powered smartphones in 2026, the iPhone has completely transformed how humans communicate, work, create, and live. Every generation introduces something new, from multitask screen, app ecosystem, biometric security, face recognition, 5G, and new artificial intelligence. So the big question, what will iPhone look in 10 years to come? Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and put this channel post notification, and I'll see you in the next one.